Okay. FSLR looks better. Come on, break underneath this. I'm going to add to this. Oh, geez, Boeing. There you go.
So far, could be just could be dropping. Oh my
Yeah.
goodness, yeah, Boeing.
I'm going to get out of the EXS. As long as it stays underneath the BWAP.
Oh, BA.
Yeah. BA looked pretty crazy. Wow. Tesla at the top here. DJT dropping. That could be a good short. DJT. Let's see here. DJT. Yeah. Ooh. This is a shock gap. Oh, well, let me short it. Dang it. All right, well. Come on, FSLR. Keep going.
PLTR can be a short. PLTR.
DLTR. Okay, okay.
Well, I'm gonna do something interesting. I'm gonna go long on it actually with the trend on the new.
On PLTR?
Yeah, on the level 1 to the downside, I'm gonna buy.
Okay, let me see. PLTR. Oh, well, what the heck just happened to this thing? It has huge body tail, right?
Oh, on open, yeah. Bank of America could go up. Apple is dropping.
Okay. I think Tesla's going to drop too. Now be careful. This gap was probably used to sell into. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I think Tesla's going to be, well, it's at the 20 here. Let's see if it bounces. SMCI looks great. think SMCI goes to the depths of the sewer. Oh, Hood looks good. Take a look at Hood. Level 1 off the VWAP.
Oh, and then the MU Hood. Ah, I see that.
SMCI, here we go. Come on, buddy. Come on. It's time to break it.
Okay.
There we go. Come on, Hood.
Shorting Hood. Then the MU now is going my way.
Oh, EXS underneath the low could be good. Okay. FSLR still going. I'm going to add to it. Al Brooks. Hopefully that wasn't a mistake. Come on, buddy. Tesla is it's only okay to short it if it's far away from the 20, but I wouldn't short it now at the 20. I think it could bounce right here again. I want to see EX get under 175.
Oh, coin is dropping.
Yeah, coin's dropping. I actually did a level 1 short on that. Remember on the 2 minute? So that's doing pretty good. I'm up about 5 Rs for the day.
How the heck
They got coin. What's up?
How the heck do you get 5 all?
I shorted Tesla. I shorted SMCI, EXS, FSLR, and Coin, and Boeing, and Hood, and every single one worked except Hood. Hood is sitting there doing nothing. But there we go, Tesla. Okay, I'm going to take a partial here on Tesla right at the 20.
Okay.
Don't need to play around with that. FSLR, I just got out of the whole thing on FSLR. Getting out of SMCI, it looks like a new low failure. EXAS looks good for a short, but it's not triggering yet. Tesla still looks good. I just want to see a green bar now be produced under here, but then again, okay, I'll try a little bit more on Tesla. Let's see if we can get through the low of day. That might actually be it. The low of day break. And then it creates a new low failure, and then we're done. Let's see. Come on, a little lower. Let's see if we can get to 280. Coin could be a VWAP pullback. I don't know yet. We'll see. Okay, EXAS, still going down. I might add to Robinhood. We can get a little lower. I won't do that. That's not a good idea. Yo, come on, Robinhood. PLTR, I don't know what to think of that. That's crazy.
I actually just bought it on a new low. So let me see if that strategy worked out or not.
All right. Oh, EXS just triggered level 1 off the VWAP.
EXS?
EXAS?
Okay.
And here comes Tesla. Crack the low. Come on, buddy.
DA still going down, huh?
Yeah. All right. All out of Tesla right there on the new low failure. EXAS. We get out here at the prior pivot. All right. I want to try one more trade, I think, and it's going to be. See, this is why I don't buy. Like, see, PLTR is pulling back, right? But there's no level 1 even on a 1 minute time frame, even on a 2 minute. You know.
Yeah.
So if you want to anticipate the bounce, and you really feel like this red bar could be a fake move,
yeah,
wait for the 2 minute to give you a level 1 to the upside, and then take that 2 minute level 1 if you feel like it. But other than that, if you jump in at the low, it's, I mean, I guess you can, as long as you have a strategy, I guess, as long as you can codify a strategy and it's a legit strategy, not a feeling.
yeah.
Like you say, like after this, I'm going to put my stop below the, the whatever area, because I usually see it bounce here.
Yeah.
Okay, great. You got a strategy. Oh, wow, look at ENPH. ENPH. Wow. This could be a level 1 to the upside pretty soon.
Could be maybe a little bounce on SMCI.
Yeah. I got out of SMCI. I think I was just feeling a little bit. I looked to the left. We made a new low. It looked like we had a new low failure. But, I might be wrong. Maybe it's going to go lower. I think we're going down to, on Tesla, to maybe 275. I'm going to try to catch the knife on Tesla when it gets down there. Market's dropping too. So basically it was buy the rumor, sell the news today, I think. Basically the selling is going to continue probably until the buyers get out of the way. Hood looks good for a short. Breaking under a pivot. Breaking over, had a level 1, and now it's doing a secondary signal underneath that doji bar. Hopefully it can go sideways for a little bit. That would be ideal. Okay, Tesla's dropping.
Getting out of PLTR long. That strategy sucks.
Yeah. It's the anticipation strategy, man. It's the clay trader.
You know why?
Yeah.
Because I fell so much on those kind of trade.
Yeah.
Like, okay, cool. Level 1 to the downside. Let's show
I know. Oh, here's a level 1 on coin you can take. It's kind of a deep pullback. So I would say go in with small shares first. Actually, don't even take this first one.
FSLR could be a bounce.
Yeah, I wouldn't take this first one. Let this 5 minute finish. See what happens. Oh, ENPH bounce. Oh, man, I missed that level 1. That's okay. This is the rhythm of the night. All right. Yeah, I'm trading small shares now for the remainder because I'm up 185 now. So I don't know what that is, and I'm fully out of everything. Let's see, 185 divided by 30. Okay, 6 hours. If I could make 200, that'd be great today, but I think I made the mistake by getting out of Tesla too soon.
Go after a dollar amount, just trade.
Yeah, you're right. Just trade the chart, right?
Yeah.
Trade the chart.
Yeah,
let the rest figure it out.
Yeah, when you look for a target like that, it's gonna be bad.
Yeah, you're right. You're totally right. You are totally right, man. Well, I'm thinking Tesla keeps going because I've seen this happen before on stocks where you get a big gap up, shoots up, really nice move up to the upside. It traps everybody, you know? It's like, oh crap. But I think as Tesla gets a little bit closer to place, starting to get a little stretch. 275 maybe is the area I want to try to jump in. I might anticipate this, but with really small shares. Just thinking, once we get under 275, I want to see it break 275.
Yeah.
And then maybe I'll jump in. $275. Not there yet. I could see it getting to 275 though. Pretty easy. I feel like that's where the buyers are sitting out, waiting patiently. Market's dropping, but we're dropping into support soon. So here's 276. Got to get through 275. 275, come on. And then I'll take the first, I think, level 1 on the 2 minute. Oh, are you kidding me? Don't bounce yet. That would have been the move right there.
For what?
A 2-point move off of 270 something. But dang it, that's what I wanted. Okay, no worries. Just come on, Jason. It's not gonna go forever. That was just a relief bounce. Dang it. Come on, Tesla. Really? That's annoying. I wanted that move right there. The one that just happened on Tesla.
The bounce?
But there was no way of getting it because I would have had to just jump in. And it wasn't at 275 yet. It was at 275, 60, 62. That's okay. That's fine. Maybe they'll keep going now. Down a little bit. We're getting a level 1 to the upside right here. I don't like this one, this level 1. It's a level 1 only after three red bars. And it's a level 1 after a breakout failure too. That's awful. Oh, coin is working. So here's that right there. Could be an entry. Oh, good. Tesla's going back down. Okay, great. Come on, get back down. Now I want it even lower because of the big wick that it had.
Yeah.
See, here's the level 1 on PLTR. You see what I'm saying? If you just waited, and you waited for the 2-minute level 1, you'd already be up profits. 2-minute level 1 got in at 53.19, you'd be up 53.46 already. But if you anticipate the move, you just jump in before it even, gets onto the other side of the pivot.
think we can.
Oh my gosh, look at FSLR. I thought for some reason I'd get a level 1 off the VWAP here. It hasn't even done it. See? No anticipation. If FSLR to me looks very bearish, right? Early in the morning, I took it short.
Yeah.
But I'm thinking, yeah, let's see what happens at the VWAP. Now it's slicing through the VWAP.
Yeah.
Just imagine if I had jumped in there short just because it hit the VWAP. In my mind, I'm like, oh, it's going to go down.
That's awesome.
Yeah. That's a special sauce, doing the harm.
Yeah.
And that's a lot of what I see on the traders on the internet. The way they trade, they don't trade based off of levels, candlestick levels, or anything. They trade off of like indicators and where the stock is in relationship to an indicator or a moving average or a VWAP, and they'll just jump in blindly without the trigger, and then they'll be bummed that it didn't work. But it's like, well, you got those things to tell you where the areas that you might want to execute a trade, but it doesn't tell you to just jump in blindly on that spot. You gotta wait for, a VWAP. You gotta wait for that level 1 or level 2 or something like that. Let's see. I'm gonna look at. Wow, we've got a lot of gaps. I did my gap scanner.
Yeah.
We've got. There's gaps of 38% to the downside because my gap scanner says anything over 2%. Wow. Oh, Baba. Ooh, I kind of want to take Baba for a swing trade right here at this area that it's at. Let's see here. Let's see if I can do a little small shares on Baba. It's at the 60. Yeah, it's pretty good. Trade. Let's do. All right, put my stop underneath low of day on Baba for swing trade. Anticipating that keeps going higher, but we'll see. Okay, come on, Tesla. Get back down to 175. Wow, look at that. PLTR level 1 off the 2 minute.
Yeah.
And the 5 minute now works. Jeez. Oh, BA triggering a level 1. I don't love it though, because it didn't really go. EXAS still looking good for more downside. It's at the low here. Okay, broke the low. Okay, let's see if we can get down to 49. EXAS. I think this level 1 on coin might fail. So you remember how you were saying you like to find failure patterns?
Yeah.
You could take it short underneath this 2 minute level 1, thinking that we're going to retest the pivot again one more time. Hasn't triggered yet, but okay, here's the 5 minute. Let's see what happens. All right, I'll do it. Oh my gosh, the wind is going crazy. So I took it short. It just triggered a level 1 on the 2 minutes. Not the best. But my target is just back down to that recent pivot or the VWAP. Come on, buddy. A little lower.
Adding to this DAC.
Nice. Oh, look at that. Coin's going. There we go. Level 1 on the 2 minute. Working.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. And EXS still going. Still going. Come on, buddy. There we go. Come on, I need to see this. See EXS, keep going, come on. 49, 49.77. It's like a breakout failure. Possibly.
Okay.
Let's see, what happened to SMCI? Oh, okay, I'm glad I didn't touch that one after that weird breakout failure. So yeah, there is something weird going on with SMCI. I think the gap was too big. All right, Tesla's trying to pop here. Doubly bottom. Coin looking good for a little bit more downside. Okay, let's see if we can get the coin just back down to the low here. What?
What happened?
I pressed the buy button at the VWAP here, and it gave me a crappy fill.
Sad.
Didn't even give me the price. It gave me a price higher than the actual price of the candle. It's probably just because it's delayed. Our charts are probably delayed a little.
Probably.
Oh, why didn't I keep an eye on this? Reddit, RDDT. I was thinking that this was going to be a short today. Dang it. We missed that move. Look at that. Underneath the VWAP, underneath the, and then the squeeze happened between the 200 period moving average. Oh, dang. That's not nice. That's what I wanted today. Dang. I wouldn't. Honestly, I think you could scalp Tesla to the upside to the VWAP here, but I think it's a really poor, odd trade. I think the better trade would be let it go down, actually short it underneath 275 to getting down to 270. We'll see. If it does trade above this bar as a level 1, I want to go long and wait for a secondary signal. Reddit, interesting. Should we try Reddit long eventually, like a catch the knife kind of thing?
Maybe.
What is going on? Dang.
Keep dropping.
Yeah, EXAS kind of looks like it's running out of steam, so I'm a little worried about this candle. Next candle going back up. See, I think corn looks good for continuation down, but it's being funky.
I know, it's just going kind of form that range.
Yeah, it might be just stay away from this. Maybe a lot of this stuff is going to do a sideways thing again. Just go sideways and chop people up and down. And if that's the case, then I'm going to try to trade the range of things.
Except PLTR is like, keep going.
Well, PLTR is coming back up to the top, but that's also might be in a range too, at the top here.
Yeah.
Level 1 might, just wait for a 2-minute level 1. You'd probably short it back down to the VWAP. If it is in a range, looks pretty interesting. Oh, Tesla gonna pop here. See if we can get this move on Tesla. 280.
And then get out this coin.
Coin? Yeah. Yeah, I luckily I got out at the VWAP, but it gave me crappy fill, so I didn't make anything on that trade. Came right back up. Yeah. Shitty fill. But it looks like a long now. That's a secondary signal above the doji bar. That'd be so you got the level 1 that triggered, and then here's that secondary signal above the doji bar, and then you put your stop below VWAP.
Yeah.
Let's see how many shares it says. 13 shares below. 15 shares. 14. It'll probably be close to like 13 by the time it triggers for me. So that's what would be the stop loss. Or you could look back and say 2 candles, and that would be 13. Yeah? Oh, I think so. Yeah, 13. So there's a lot of ways to do it.
Yeah.
I took that level 1 on Tesla just for a scalp and got out. I don't want to try anything yet. Let's see. EXAS, I'm glad I got out of that. Oh, DJT, I wish I could be shorting that. And then Reddit, I might try this long soon. I just want to see it, get a little bit closer to support here. Maybe to 116. We'll see what happens at 116. We get a level 1 on a 5-minute. And look what happened to BA. We got the level 1 and it failed, which makes sense because BA is a very bearish chart. And I'm glad I got out of this yesterday.
Wow, my best trade is on BAC.
Nice. Let me take a look. BAC. BAC. Oh, nice. You took that 3-bar play to the downside, short?
No, I just hit like, oh, level 1 at the top.
You did the low. Wow, okay, that's tricky. Well, you did, but that's good. That's good. You did it right. I mean, I think there's definitely that entrance right there that happened about 2 bars ago. That's a good one too.
No, here's what I did. I actually just short went form a new high. And then I just like, let me see if we can be a fake and then come back down.
Wait, so you shorted even before the candle did a thing? You did a...
No, it's form a new high and then so I shorted.
Oh, okay, nice.
So basically I'm just kind of like go against myself.
Yeah. Oh, so you thought, okay, I would normally buy this.
Yeah.
Let me do the opposite because this is where I get myself in trouble.
Yeah.
That's cool. That's smart.
The only one that's like not working for me today that I lose on is PLTR.
Oh, okay, that's not bad.
Yeah.
I mean, that was one that you kind of did a special sauce idea.
I mean, similar to Bank of America, except I go long on the new low.
Yeah.
But it just kept going. And then I was gonna add a big candle for a special sauce to the upside. And it just dropped really fast. I'm like, crap, damn it.
Oh, okay. Well, here's PLTR right here.
PLTR,
do a level 1 short.
Yeah.
Underneath this 5-minute bar.
I might consider shorting this one for that range trade.
There's Boeing getting to the low day. Let's see what it does. Tesla's under the VWAP, so I think Tesla's a short up here at the VWAP. Back down to 280 maybe.
Heard is at the high, so I'm gonna take a partial.
All right, it's got the short on VA here. New low, level 2. It's going. Not too bad, not too shabby.
So I just did what
I missed the Reddit level 1. Look at that. It's spiking up really good, too. Already up like probably 1 R from that move. Look at that. Oh. And that's a good amount of red bars in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4. I mean, technically you want to have 5, but the bars were big.
Check this out, Jason. See that level 1 on PLTR?
Yeah.
I put a buy order right below, and then just take it and then shoot right up.
Oh, dang. Ninja style right there.
Yeah.
So that's cool. So basically, you're anticipating a Hikaki bar, essentially.
Yeah, I mean it's like we've been burned by this so many times where like you think it looks kind of like it has a strong move, so it just keep going and stuff.
Yeah.
Oh, Bank of America stopped me out. I wanted to go long on it.
BAC right here.
Yeah.
Because I mean you're at a decent area of value right here. It is underneath a bunch of green bars that people tried to buy up too.
Hood keeps going up.
Hood keeps going up?
Yeah.
Oh wow, okay. I got stopped out of that one. That's my one that I did get stopped out on my level 1. But I guess that was a good thing. I should have flipped it long right there.
Yeah, I flipped it long on that level 2.
Yeah. Yeah, level 1 failure equals a level 2 a level 2 trade. Because if you have a level 1 fail that goes down, fails, and then turns back up around, then yeah, it ends up becoming a level 2 to the upside.
Cool.
I watched this really cool strategy a guy was explaining. He was he trades only the futures, but he's breaking down his trades and he was showing it. He just scalps. That's his whole thing. But he says if a bar breaks, let's say the bar is here's a good example, Tesla or Hood, both of those. Okay, so he says you got the bar that breaks the 20. If a bar breaks to the 20 and closes above the 20, the next bar is your entry. He calls the bar that breaks the 20 the reason why bar. So the reason why bar is the bar that breaks the 20 and closes above the 20. From being under it. Keep in mind, it's got to be under it first. Then the next bar is your long. And your stop is below the bar that closed above the 20, right? If you look at Hood, it's the same thing. It happened. Bar closed above the 20, next bar is your long. He doesn't wait for it has to be a red bar or anything like that. Then, same to the downside. If you look at Tesla, the bar that broke the 20 and closed below the 20, the next bar is your long. Oh my gosh, BA's doing great. Nice. Right here is probably, let's see, wow.
What?
Wow, okay. Still going.
What's still going?
BA.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Did you take it?
I did, yeah. Got the level 2 right there. Underneath the low. It's kind of like a level 3, but, I just waited for it to break the low.
I'm gonna take a pause on this Nvidia. I just feel like it's getting weak.
Which one?
Nvidia.
Oh, okay. Oh, dang. Nvidia is still going up. Wow. Crazy town.
Try espresso sauce on GEO.
Oh, okay. GEO. Okay, let's take a look. GEO. Interesting.
Double top, so I'm doing special sauce.
Oh no, don't do it, man.
Oh no, it's tiny, man.
Okay. I just don't want you to be
No,
like.
my special sauce now is I did have a different way of just doing
Okay.
it.
I just every time you tell me you're like, I'm down, this amount. I'm like, oh my god, why?
Yeah.
Special sauce. I'm like, no. At least do special sauce in the direction of the trend.
Oh gosh, that's kind of yeah.
If this is above the 20 and the 8 and the VWAP, it's about every single moving average right now. So.
Oh, Nvidia, I'm playing also.
Yeah. Look at that Tesla. Reject off the VWAP, like I figured. Alright, Boeing looks good for a little lower, but I think it's gonna fail soon. Got several bars in a row on this 2 minute.
Oh, what the heck? I forgot all about EXAS. I didn't know I'm in this thing.
EXAS?
Yeah, why am I in this thing?
Oh, oh man. Yeah, I shorted that in the morning and then did the level 1 off the VWAP and then got the low of day and then added to it one more time. It got that 2-bar move down and then got out because it did a new low failure. It might still be going down.
It might, yeah. Moving average right above it. So.
Yeah. So yeah, he basically his whole strategy is he calls it the reason why bar. And I think that's really clever. He says every single thing I do when it's all based off of the 20-period moving average and the reason why bar. If the bar closes above the 20 and I take my next trade above that, my stop is below the reason why bar. I was like, that makes life easy. You just always just have this 1-bar stop. You don't care if you don't need to. He says he doesn't need to see a red bar print above the 20. He says, of course, that's a plus. It's a plus if you get a bar that breaks the 20, closes, and then you get a red bar afterwards. Then you got a reason why bar, plus you got a a red bar that shows you the sellers came in and failed, which is always great. But that's not I guess he says it doesn't matter. And he showed his statistics. He says he's not aiming for huge targets or anything. He just aims to get a move in his direction. And once he gets a certain amount of direction in his move, he just puts a stop at break even.
Yeah.
And then it doesn't matter. I was like, yeah, that's cool. And that's all he's trading is the futures. So today, what he would have done on the SPY, the reason why bar triggered at 940. You see that 940? That's the reason why bar closed underneath the 20 and everything. He would have taken the short underneath the reason why bar at 945, and he would have gotten 2 huge bars in his favor. I mean, come on, that's great, right?
Yeah.
And then now you look, there's a reason why bar just triggered.
You can add to this EXAS, adding to them.
Oh, okay. Watch out for a hood. Oh yeah, EXSA.
Yeah, hood. I have a stop right below it.
Nice. Yeah, and then you see the SPY. He had a reason why bar to the upside that happened at 10:15. Then he would have jumped into the next move and it would have gone up. So yeah, it works, man. It really does. I think EXAS is a little bit too shallow.
Yeah, it is. It's also just a range trade right now.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's gonna going. But yeah, let's see what happens. Rượu chè nó uống rượu mà toàn ra uống rượu không, toàn viên uống rượu không.
Yeah, I think the EXS. Well, it's not bad.
Still,
I mean, you're getting a
below,
retest of the breakout.
Yeah, it's still below the moving average. So
yeah, this might be one of those chop around ones for a little while because of how big the gap is, and then how big it's moved off the open.
Yeah.
So it'll need a little bit of rest in there. I guess you can watch that 2 minute and see what it does. All right. I'm out of BA, so I'm going to close my platform and call it a day before I do anything stupid.
Oh, I'm out of the EXAS.
Okay.
I was up 2-1, now only up 1-0.
That's okay. That's okay. Just don't let yourself go past 3R for the day. If you do go down,
Yeah.
Call it a day so you don't have a massive red day or anything like that.
Yeah, the EXAS took half of my thing. Lắc rồi, nó mới lắc. attention on Nvidia. Jumping back in Nvidia long.
Okay.
May have to sit through some job though.
I know. That's why I just decided to call it a day now.
Hurt may stop me out.
Let's see what earnings are being delivered after the close today. Let's see here. Let me go check on this calendar here. And let's go to earnings after the close. Today, after the close, is SEDG, ASPN, CORZ, and IONQ. Okay. I don't know any of those. And let's see what tomorrow in the before market. Tomorrow before market open is BST, Oscar, mRNA, GEO, and CRH. Okay, so a bunch of healthcare and building materials.
Oh damn it. This Nvidia is fateful move for me.
Yeah. Gotta be careful now.
Yeah.
You know, it's so sad.
What?
I bought Tesla, and I had a really nice trade on it. And yesterday I got rid of my whole swing trade.
What?
Yeah. So I had a nice little move up. You know, I bought it at the very I bought it a couple days ago at I thought it was going to do a new low failure on that pivot.
Yeah.
So when it did the new low, I bought it, and I just held on to it for that night, for that day. The next day, I was rewarded with this nice gap up on yesterday, and so when it started trading up, you know, I sold into it and got out of the trade. And I figured probably what we're going to happen is we're probably going to go sideways for a little while and then, you know, go up. And I also thought to myself, I don't want to be in too many trades if like this whole indecision in the market.
Yeah.
Like with the president or whatever.
Yeah.
Just a little scared, you know, like a little like should, let's say, something happen and the stock market gap down, all that profit of Tesla would have been gone. And who knows, maybe worse. So I got out, and then, you know, of course, after the market closed, everything just went crazy.
Yeah.
And I was like, oh my gosh. And I was just palming my face, thinking, Jason, your fear of loss is greater than your hope for gain. Because my fear of loss took me out of the trade, whereas my hope for gain, if my hope for gain was strong and I was like, you know what, I'm up more, but I want more, then man, I would have been great. And I've read so many times that you have to reverse that. You have to reverse your fear of loss your hope for gain has to be stronger than your fear of loss. And he says when you're in a negative position, your fear of loss needs to be stronger than your hope for gain. So it's basically when you're in a positive position, your fear of loss needs to be small.
Yeah.
You shouldn't be sitting there scared. But if you're in a positive position, a negative position, then you need, So it's like, but the thing is, he says most traders flip the roles. Like they get a trade and they take small wins, which is what I do too. You take small wins when you're in green, and then you let your winners, you know, go past your stop losses in hopes that they go back and they're just, so it's funny. At least I don't do that part. I won't let my losers go past where it's supposed to be.
Yeah.
Because I think to myself, that's fine. I'll just let it, I'll lose this once but man, if I could just do the other thing, which was, when I'm in a green move, let it keep going. All right, man. Well, I gotta go. My dog is here.
Okay. Probably looking at you.
Yeah, he wants to say hi. So I guess I hope you do good. Be safe.
Yeah, no, I'm up over 1 hour at the moment. And Vito faked me out, so I just got out.
Okay, not bad, not bad.
Make sure, Bank of America, yeah.
Let me see before I go. BAC. BAC. Up at the VWAP. Yeah, not bad. If it triggers a level 1, you could go short. You got the 8 underneath it that's curving up a little bit.
Yeah.
So that's a bummer. So what you could do, wait for this red bar to wait for a level 1 and then wait for it to close.
Yeah.
Then take the next lower one. That might be a safer move because then you got that confirmation.
Yeah.
Also, it may never trigger. Hey, look, it's going higher. So yeah, you may not. No. All right, I'll talk to you later.
Yes, sir. Good job today.
Oh, thanks, man. Yeah, yesterday was, like I showed you, I lost like a little over 1 hour.
Nice.
And so it wasn't a bad day, 30, I think it's like $38 or something like that.
Yeah.
But today I made up for it, so.
Yeah.
And I made a little over almost 7 hours.
Okay.
And yeah. I'm going to stick to a $30 risk unit, though, for probably another week.
Okay.
And I don't, it's, if I just make 4 to 5 hours a day on a $30 risk unit, by the end of the week, it's over $500. And it's not a lot, but at the same time, I'm learning. I'm paying my tuition.
Yeah.
And it's paying me. That's the thing. Like, you can get paid to learn. In the end, when you raise it, and eventually, I also don't want to raise it to 35. I want to try to raise it to 40 next time.
Okay.
Because I want to go 30, 40, 50, basically.
Yeah.
And then when I get to 50, do the same thing. 50, 60, 70, 80. And then maybe, around the 80 mark, just go 80, 80, 90, 100. And then once I'm at 100, probably good idea to maybe seek another broker. I noticed today, well, we'll see. I ordered that new computer. Got the new computer coming. So when I get that one, we'll see how much faster Thinkorswim is on it.
I don't think it's a computer. I think it's Thinkorswim.
I know. Well, when you press the buy button, how long does it take sometimes to get filled? Does it take 5 seconds?
Depends, but I think there's more on Thinkorswim, not the computer.
Yeah. I've noticed sometimes, well, I don't know. Yeah, I'm hoping it's just the computer. Because sometimes I press the buy button or a sell button or something, and I sit there and I see my order just bouncing up and down.
Yeah.
And I'm like, this is a market order. It's supposed to fill me at the best price right now. Right now, at this moment in time. There's no, why is it being so weird? And then, then it'll fill me. And I'm like, oh my gosh. And it's just a delay. So bad. All right, man. Well, I'll talk to you later.
Yes, sir.
All right, take care.
Okay, bye.
All right, bye.
Ngoài hai chiều coi cái này thì không phải coi cái này thì muốn tìm đẹp máy lắc chứ. đâu có nản đâu, đang thắng mà, đang thắng mà. Ừ. Hay. Bữa lên về cái tên cái gì? Ồ. Sao không vui? Ừ. Không có tích hợp nha. Không tích hợp. Ừ. À. Ông đó là ai? Ừ. Cô nói gì đây nào? Khen nghe đã, mỗi nở chứ. Hết rồi. Nó xong. Mất xong rồi. Còn nó. Nghe nó nhận ra nó hết. Việc cần cái này. Why? Ooh, beautiful. Thắng thì nó đẹp thôi. Thắng, phe thắng nên vui thôi. Anh đang thắng. Vậy hả? Chắc vậy quá. Trời ơi, cái này thì từng cái này nha. Wow. Flipping hell. How's that move, Miss? Chụp hình mà bỏ. Chụp hết mình kìa. Chụp hình cái mà anh đang bị. Chụp cái màn hình này. Trời ơi, cái này. Maybe.